New VTubers, listen. Yes, you. New VTuber with the scuffed mic, the PNG from Pic Crew, and the one friend you forced to follow you on Twitch so you didn't look lonely. Sit down. No, sit down. Before you burn yourself out in a week one and cry into your instant ramen. I'm not here to pat your head and say, good luck, little streamer. I'm here to grab you by your mortal soul and shake it until the delusions fall out. Do you want to survive? Then listen, because if you don't, the only thing growing will be your pile of VODs nobody watched. First mistake, thinking you'll go viral in one day. Spoiler alert, you won't. Unless you set your kitchen on fire, on stream. And even then, maybe not. I've tried it. Is it gonna do anything? You have to stop treating VTubing like a lottery ticket. It's more like a very slow potion. You throw in ingredients, your streams, your videos, your shorts, and you stir, stir, stir. It bubbles, it simmers, it looks like a sludge for weeks, and then, one day, it's drinkable, maybe even delicious. If you're at 0 viewers, it's not a curse, it's just a tutorial level. Everyone starts with no gear and a wooden sword. Even the biggest VTubers were once just shouting into the void hoping their mic wasn't muted. Second mistake, being a copycat. I see you. You saw your favorite VTuber with cat ears. And suddenly, you're a cat girl too. You saw someone blow up on TikTok with you voice, and suddenly you're practicing in front of the mirror. Stop it. You sound like a possessed tea kettle. Here's the truth. If I wanted that VTuber, I would go watch that VTuber. Viewers don't need a diet version of someone else. They want the you that only you can be. Even if that you is messy, awkward, or weird. Especially if it's weird. Your quirks are the secret sauce. Your bad jokes, your obsession with raccoons, the fact you get way too competitive in Mario Kart, that is your magic. That's what people will remember. So don't bury it under someone else's cosplay. Third mistake, the death spiral, burnout. New VTubers think if I stream 8 hours every day, people will notice me. Wrong. What actually happens is your throat dies, your sleep dies, your motivation dies, and then you die. And the algorithm, it laughs. You don't need to stream like a full-time warrior when you're still level 1. Nobody's watching your 8-hour grind. Clip that chaos down to something people can actually find. Stream smarter, not longer. And here's the supportive sprinkle. Protect your energy. Stream less, but put love into it. If you hate what you're doing, chat will feel it. Energy is contagious. When you're excited, they are excited. When you're dead inside, they tap out to go watch cat videos, and you can't blame them. Okay, I roasted you enough. Here's the survival guide. Stream because you love it. If your only goal is to get rich and get famous, you're doomed. Do it because you enjoy it, even when 3 people show up. Don't hunt viewers, make friends. Some of your best collabs will come from people your size. Stop begging big VTubers for attention. Build sideways, not just up. Consistency beats chaos. Upload once a week forever is more than streaming like a maniac for 3 weeks and then vanishing. Trust me, mortals love routine. And it's okay to be small. You don't need 10K followers to matter. You can change someone's entire day with 10 viewers. That's real magic. So, do you still want to step through the portal? The path is messy, the grind is painful, and the algorithm is basically a gremlin demanding snacks. But if you've got the guts to keep going, you can create something incredible. And I'll be here to roast you, to cheer for you, and maybe steal your coffee when you're not looking. Now go, start your stream, make your first video, embarrass yourself on the internet. That's how legends are born. And don't forget to subscribe, or I'll hunt you down